Is your RV roof leaking, showing signs of wear and tear, or over 5 years old? Leaky roofs can cause thousands of dollars in damage, so it's important to ensure your roof seams are fully sealed. Typically, roof leaks occur at the seams, where the caulking has failed, or it can even be down to a tree branch tearing the rubber membrane, allowing water to penetrate through the damaged substrate. Whatever the reason, we've got you covered. Our Rexoseal RV roofing system is an effective DIY solution to your waterproofing needs. We developed a unique process of embedding a reinforcing membrane between Rexoseal sealants to strengthen the seams and create a long-lasting waterproof barrier. Our easy do-it-yourself system is super simple to follow. For a roof restoration, lightly sand and wash the roof. Apply a 5-inch wide reinforcing membrane on all the seams, followed by 3 coats of Rexoseal RV to the entire roof. Need to replace your existing roof because of water damage? No problem. Simply tear off the membrane and replace any rotted wood. Seal all seams and apply a 1-meter wide reinforcing membrane, followed by 3 coats of Rexoseal RV. It really is that simple, with each kit being measured to ensure you will have enough to restore or replace your roof. Along with instructional videos and brochures, Rexoseal is a fail-proof system that anyone can follow with no special skills or tools required. It's water-based with no foul-smelling fumes and is totally safe to work with. It even comes with a 10-year warranty, ensuring no fading or yellowing with a recoat every 4 to 5 years. Rexoseal is easy to use, cost-effective, and continues to outperform the competition. So what are you waiting for? Say goodbye to caulking and hello to Rexoseal.